everyone, it's Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm a blonde. It's been a minute since I've done blonde hair. It's winter and I needed like blonde, like icy blonde. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this and how I install it, then please keep on watching. And the wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it's from Wow Angel. This is my very first time wearing their wigs. Now this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. This is a 613 wig. It's been a minute since I've rocked 613, you guys. So it's that yellow Barbie blonde. Now this wig is about 24 inches in length and it's 180 density. She is thick. Now I love the fact that it has HD lace, so I know it's going to melt down flawlessly into the skin. Everything you need for your wig is also included in the box, such as hair clips, HD wig caps, and melting band. Now the wig is about 13 by 4. Now it does not have a lot of parting room for a deep side part, but you can still pull off a side part with this wig. We also have adjustment straps in the back and you can adjust it to your liking to fit your head perfectly. While Angel is also doing a holiday sale, all the hair info will be listed in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. And I'm going to be using my Shimmer Lights purple shampoo and a bucket of water, as you can see, and I'm just going to twirl that water around. Now it's obviously not boiling hot. It's warm, but it's not like, you know, scorching hot water. And I'm just going to pop that hair in there and just tone it. Now this can either make the hair go super silvery white if you leave it in there for too long. I didn't want it to be like silvery white, but I definitely did not want that, you know, 613 yellow, because it was just not giving what I wanted to give. So I'm just gonna leave this in there for probably, I think I left it for like maybe 6 minutes, but as you can see, I kept like pulling the hair out, in and out, just to see how it's looking. And this is a HD lace wig, by the way, so I'm not too worried about the lace, because I find that with the transparent lace it tends to change color. So with the HD lace it does not change color. So right now I'm loving how it's looking. Okay, I probably leave it in for about maybe 10 minutes, but again, I always check on the hair. So now I'm going to go in with the T35 Wella Charm Toner, and I'm using the Salon Cure number 10 cream developer. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to change the knots. Right now the knots look white. If I put this on my head, you're going to see these white knots, and I don't want it to look like that. I want it to give like skin and kind of look like I did a shadow root. So as you can see, I'm applying this on the lace. So I'm applying this all over the lace, and I'm gonna leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on this because it acts really fast. I washed it out off camera, and then I'm using some hair conditioner in my wig, and I leave the conditioner on the hair. I left it on for about an hour, and the scalp is looking really good. She's gonna be giving Scalpiana. Now I have my wig cap on. I did the ball cap method, and I'm using a HD wig cap, and everything I'm using will be in the description bar down below. So this is how the wig is looking. Do you guys see that? It is literally going to be giving like shadow roots. And I just popped the wig on my head, so this is how she is looking. Now this wig is at 24 inches, 180 density. She is thick. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Sticky Little Secret skin protector, and I'm just gonna run this along my forehead. This is gonna give my glue a very strong hold, like she will be on sitting. Now first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that lace off, cut the sides here, because we don't need that anymore. And I'm going to go in with my Sticky Little Secret lace glue. This is my own brand. Everything, as I mentioned, will be in the description bar down below. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue on my forehead area, and I'm going to be doing 2 layers of glue today. So now I'm going to go in with my little brush thingy. Well, this is actually an eyebrow razor, but I'm gonna go ahead and spread that glue like butter. Do the same thing on the sides as well, and just wait for that glue to dry clear. You always want to wait for the glue to dry clear before you pull the lace down, because if you don't, it's gonna look messy, and the glue, it dries really fast. So now I'm going in with the second layer of glue. Spread it like butter. Okay, now that it's dry clear, pull that lace down. Okay, so we're gonna pull the lace down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just go in with my comb and just comb that hair in, and I'm going to go in with a blow dryer. You always want to use a cool set-in to activate the glue, so always remember that cool set-in to activate the glue. I'm going to go in with my scissors. These are cuticle scissors. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting away all that extra lace. This is my very first time using Wow Angel's hair, so please feel free to check out any other hair review on this hair, guys. Now, as for this hairline, I had to do some tweezing, and I did it off camera because you guys have seen me tweeze hair before. As for 613 hair, I don't really love tweezing them that much, so I didn't do a lot of tweezing, but I did change the hairline a bit just to suit my face. So as you can see, I just cut off all the extra lace, and now I have my melting band on, and I'm just gonna go ahead and melt that wig down. And this is the double melt method, so I'm gonna go ahead and do one melt first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my melting spray. So I just add the melting spray to the hairline because we really want to melt down that lace. I will tell you right now, the lace on this wig was absolutely amazing. It is HD lace, and I love the fact that more companies are doing 613 wigs with HD lace because the melt is amazing. So as you can see, I'm going in with the blow dryer now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and melt down that lace. And now I'm gonna go in with the Wig Guru's lace tint. Listen, the spray applicator thingy was not working, so I had to go in with my makeup brush. So I just applied to the makeup brush, and honestly, I prefer to do this instead of using makeup foundation. This is so much better, and it doesn't interfere with the glue as well. It makes the hold on the wig last a lot longer. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut some layers while my wig is melting down. So I'm gonna cut the layers into the hair, and I'm using my eyebrow razor. I find it so much easier to use like a razor to cut layers instead of using scissors because child, I am not the greatest with that. So now I'm going to go in with the hot comb and just try to flatten down that wig, just flatten it down. So this is a 13x4, so it doesn't really have a lot of parting room on the side, so that's why I'm showing you guys how it looks in a center part first. But I am living for the layers, and honey, she just went and did her makeup. Like, who is this right now? Whole different person. But this is how it looks in a center part. It is really nicely melted down. Now I want to show you guys how the hair looks in a side part and how it looks if I curl it. Right, so as you can see, I'm going to go in with that rat tail comb and start creating a side part. I can't go too deep because there is not a lot of parting room on the side. I feel like this wig is meant more for the center part, but you know, a girl loves her side parts. Okay, so I'm going to go in with that hot comb, and I'm just going to flatten her down. When it comes to changing the part, you literally have to like work the wig. Okay, you have to work the wig, use a hot comb to change the part. And this is how she looks at the side with the hair straight and the layers, and I'm living for it. But we want some curls. This is literally one of my favorite tools to use. This is a T3 curling iron, and I'm going to go in with a curling iron and start creating some curls in the hair. Now I actually added rollers, but I didn't do it on camera, so I just added some little loose curls right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, and I'm gonna speed this process up a bit. So just hold the curl for about 12 seconds and then let her go. Honestly, I'm living for the blonde. It's been a minute since I've done a blonde wig, and this is probably one of my favorites that I've done in a while. I actually wore this wig out, and I got so much compliments. Like, just wore this wig out, no makeup, no nothing, and I was just living for it. I got so much compliment on it. It looks so gorgeous, and I just love the fact that when I toned the inside of the wig, it just gave it that little bit of shadow roots, and I'm living for the shadow roots. So now I'm gonna go in with my edge brush and just create little tiny baby hairs. I don't really love baby hairs on 613 wigs. It's not for me, and you guys already know how I feel about, you know, too much baby hairs. I like it to look a little clean. That's just the look I like. It's my preference, but you know, feel free to do whatever you want. But this is the look, guys. This is the look. Let me know what you guys think of the hair side part with curls. I love it. I'm a little tempted to cut this wig a little bit more though, like just a little tempted, but I do love how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Bye.